Hi developers, in this video we will learn about error handling in JavaScript. So error handling in JavaScript is done using try-catch statement. We use try-catch block to handle the errors in JavaScript, and it allows to handle exceptions that occurs during the runtime and prevent our code from crashing. So it's prevent the code from crash by handling the error. So it contains try block, catch block and finally block. In try block, it contains the code that might throw an error. If an error occurs, the flow moves to the catch block. And inside catch block, this block is executive if an error is thrown in the try block. So the error is called as an error object, which we can handle and we can log it and we can display error message which is present in the error object. So the error object provides details about the error such as name and message. Name contains the syntax error or type error, and message contains the description of the error. And finally, there is a finally block. So this block runs after the try and catch blocks, regardless of whether an error is occurred or not. So actually it's useful for cleanup tasks like closing a file or clearing timeouts, etc. Okay, in the real world scenarios. So let's see it with some example. Now we will understand try, catch and block with some example. So let's try let age to 25. If age is lesser than 0, throw. As we know, age cannot be lesser than 0. So if some user has input the age as negative integer, so it will throw a error. Throw new error. Age cannot be negative. Not be negative. If age is positive, it will go in the else block. Here it will console age is valid. Then it will print age. Okay. So this is the success case. And if age is negative, then it will be handled by catch block. Catch error. So this error message will comes in the catch block here in place of error. So here we will print the error console dot we can say error console dot error, and here we will print error dot message. As we have just seen, the error object provides the details about the error, so it will contain the name and message. And if you want to print the message, we will need to use error dot message. Okay, so after catch block there is a finally block. Finally, so this finally block, it will always run whether the error is occurred or not. It will always run. We will console it and we will say validation complete. Okay, so what we have done is, if age is valid, in this case age is 25, so it is valid, so it goes to the else block. Here it will go, so it will print as age is valid. Let's print it. So age is valid, then validation complete. This block, else block is run, so it printed as age is valid. Then it went to the finally block. Finally block will run always. So error is, so it is printing as validation complete. Okay, Now say if age is minus 25, okay, it is a negative, so it will go in the if block. Okay, so error is thrown and the catch block handles it. This error will go in the catch block and catch block will handle it, and it will print as age cannot be negative. Here it will print as age cannot be negative. We will check it in the console, and finally block will also run. So this is the output, age cannot be negative, and then validation complete. So this is how we use error handling using try, catch and finally